almost took me to a valuable weakness. There's no comfort in silence, no real violence in words. So I sharpened my blade and bowed my head before I ceased and desisted. Though my stomach was a ball of resistance, I went straight for the course. Left burns on the backs of my palms. Will I regret my cause or revel in my thoughts? So I'm caught in the winds of remorse, 'cause everybody knows what good is a sword next to a shotgun. What good is a sword next to a shotgun? Shotgun. How could I get stuck in this valiant position? Either I'll survive from this or cradle the earth.